Hey, so welcome back. I've got another Diamond Art Club to show you. This is one of the um, paintings that I got when I was still living in my rental before my husband and I bought this house. And I'm just now getting around to it. So I know a lot of you guys have seen all of the ones that I'm showing you, but I'm just now finally able to record them. And I don't even know when this will get posted on my YouTube because I've got so many other videos that I've got to upload, and I'm just so far behind. Seriously, just so far behind. So let's go ahead and open it up and just get with it. I've got one more, I believe, to open up after this one. And then I don't even want to begin to tell you how many more from other places. I'm just so far behind. I wish there was like 48 hours in a day, and then, I don't know, 3 of me. That would be nice, right? So, we've all seen the box. If you haven't, it has the how to diamond paint if you've never diamond painted before. It gives you the kit contents in different languages. Is there anything else? Yeah, you can see the snowflakes. Alright, so let's get it all out. Woo, that's a lot of diamonds. Okay, so sounded like there's something else in there. We've got our basic round kit. I'm not going to open it. We've got a squishy, we got the bags, we got the pen, we got the wax, and the, what do you call it, the boat. Alright. Oh, and I think it comes with, yeah, a 3-placer. So, we all know what that looks like. We will open up the drills here in a moment. So set those to the side. Let's look at the canvas. When I seen this one, well, I put her in my wish list for a while because there was other paintings I wanted first, but I couldn't help it. I ended up going back and getting her, obviously, because here she is. So I'm gonna roll her the opposite direction so that she lays flat. Maybe she doesn't want to. There we go. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night, whatever time you are watching this. Today is November 20th, but, well, for me, I don't know, it's probably in December right now by the time I get this uploaded. But, whoo, this one is going to take me a long time to do. So this one is Jewel. She's gorgeous, right? I don't know if you can see her. Isn't she gorgeous? She is a 55 by 72. Oh my. So this is before they started coming out with their little pamphlets. But you get your little steps. For those that don't know how to diamond paint, that is their website. I want that one right there. And that one. You guys just seen that one. Anyhow, okay, here we go. Let's look at the sticker. So, I told you her name is Jewel. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that. Absolutely just gorgeous. I'm thinking about hanging her up in the master bath, or not but the main bath. So it has one AB and a special one. So it's got a special drill and then one AB. And it is, wow, 47 colors. Good Lord. Well, 48. So, all right, let's take a little closer look. Gosh, look at her. So it looks like the special drills are going to be here in, I don't know, like her brooch. I don't see anywhere else. I think that's it. It's just her brooch. Yep. So the special drills will be the cross in her brooch. If I can get her to straighten back out. And then, oops. Hold on one second. Let me fix it because it got the sun just kind of shining up. Okay. I had to close the blinds and still see that. Okay, so let's see. The AB is the ones, and that is, wow, scattered throughout her dress. It looks like the lacy parts of her dress. Some here in the flowers, up in here. So definitely like in the more lacy flower areas. Yeah, in the flowers and in the lace, kind of scattered throughout here. So, wow, that's going to be gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just love her. Oh man. So, okay, we get the ledger here on the right bottom. And then we get the schematic and ledger on the top left. Let's see if I can't do this a little better. There we go. So here you get the number, you get your code, and then you get the DMC. And there's your AB, the 141. And there's your, what it's going to look like. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, just beautiful. And her name, the model, the size is the 55 by 72. Love her, love her, love her. All right, let's look at the drills. Because there's a lot of them. All right. So here are the special. It looks like they gave you just enough for the little cross on her brooch. Very pretty. But that's a really pretty wine color. And then a brown. So guys, I'm not going to go through every number. You can read what color it is. Really pretty. It looks like we've got 2 of those. Lots of different shades of browns and yellows. Kind of a pea green. Oh, no. It's a green color, but it's not, I don't know, it's a different kind of green color. Hey, intruder, intruder. They look pretty though, don't they? That's a pretty green. Beautiful colors. That's a really pretty deep red. I like that. That's really pretty. Different shades of reds. It's looking kind of pink, but it's not. It's actually a red. And an intruder. Oops, got him upside down. There we go. Now you can see what the numbers are. That's the 666. That, I mean, bad number, but that really is a beautiful red color. Pretty purples. Oh, I really like that one. That's pretty purple. This is a light, pretty pink. It's kind of a purpley pink. It's really pretty. Okay. Wow, this has got a lot of different shades of browns, tans. That's a dark, I don't know what you call it. It's a peach color. It's really pretty though. Oh, intruder, intruder right there. That's really pretty. Ooh, and there's the AB. Wow, gorgeous. Looks like there's an intruder with it right there. Look at how beautiful and sparkly that is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There's no way I'm going to get these back. I will try, but I doubt it. Got some garbage falling out. So let's take a look at her one last time. Oh, she is so gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait. I don't know. I've not seen anyone finish her yet. I've seen a lot of people unbox, but I haven't seen anyone actually finish her, so definitely would like to see that for sure. Like I said in my other ones, if you've watched them, I am not going to get to any of these at least the rest of this year, because we're already almost at the end of November, and I've got some paintings that I've got to do for my dad for Christmas, so none of these that I'm opening up, will get done at all this year. They're all going to be on my waiting list. So there you go. One more last look. Oh, she's gorgeous. All right. Give me thumbs up or down. Up to you. If you've not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that you always get notified when I put up a new video. I know sometimes it works, other times it doesn't, but, play it on the safe side. Hit that notification bell. Definitely leave me a comment. Please share my videos. I would appreciate that so much. We are what are we at? Last I looked, it was over 600 subscribers. So getting there. Awesome. So thank you to all of my subscribers that are new and to those that have been with me to the beginning. Y'all are awesome. I love you so much. I'm going to let you guys go. I love y'all. I hope you have a wonderful day or night. And don't forget to always smile. Bye-bye.